everybody.
We're the Involvement Specialists, and we are back to share about some events that are happening on campus soon.
The first event we want to discuss is cohort meetings.
What's a cohort meeting?
A cohort meeting provides students the chance to share their leadership experience that they have had so far.
They will also serve as an opportunity for you to learn new skills as a developing leader to help you succeed as you move through the Falcon 5 program.
Lastly, cohort meetings will allow you to move on to the next level of the Falcon 5, ultimately granting you a Falcon 5 leadership certificate.
So be sure to check out the cohort meetings on Monday, February 23rd at 5 or 7 p.m. in Lydecker.
The second event coming up on campus is Student Engagement and Philanthropy Day.
On February 24th, UWRF will join nearly 100 educational institutions worldwide to participate in Student Engagement and Philanthropy Month.
UWRF will be hosting Thank a Donor Day to create an awareness of philanthropy on campus for students, faculty, and staff.
Volunteers will personalize and complete thank you cards for selected non-scholarship donors along with new and loyal donors.
We will then create a large poster board from these cards thanking our donors.
A time-lapse video will capture the development of our message board, spelling out thank you, which will be shared on social media networks, and the cards will then be mailed directly to the donors.
The booth for this event will be located in the Falls Room in the University Center from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m.
So be sure to check it out and show your appreciation.
If you have any questions about either of these events or any events on campus, log on to Falcon Sync and you can find the details there, or email studentorganizations@uwrf.edu.
Have a great week and see you next time.
Bye!